Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tutor Terrific. I've got a little bit of a different flavor for the video today, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you something really good, especially if you like making and posting YouTube content. So for me, the longest time I've had problems with thumbnails. I've never been satisfied with the ones I create, whether I use YouTube Studio to do so, or I use Microsoft Paint or Paint 3D to try and create my own. They just never come out very professional looking like those ones that we see on those really viral videos on YouTube. And I now have a way to do it. It's called Thumbnail Creator, and I'm gonna show you. So, what is Thumbnail Creator? Well, it's an online thumbnail creation platform where you take existing YouTube URLs and paste them directly into the platform and watch the AI from the video's content itself create excellent AI generated thumbnails for you. You can also prompt the AI to look at specific things within the video to focus on certain objects or things. Add pictures of yourself, pictures of products, and text that will show up in every single thumbnail it generates. It is awesome, and the thumbnails work out every single time I've generated them. You know what? Let me show you Thumbnail Creator in action. Let's go to my studio real quick. All right, guys, let me show you just how easy this is to use Thumbnail Creator. I'm in my channel on YouTube Studio in the content section. I'm just gonna pick a video that needs a better thumbnail for sure. This one right here, a video on how to use Sync Toy for Microsoft. And you can see I've just got some picture of my desktop with a picture of the program and big yellow text at the bottom. Not a great thumbnail. So I'm gonna copy the link to the video. I'm gonna go to Thumbnail Creator. And over here, I'm going to click Start a New Thumbnail. And if you're on the home page, you can also type that URL right in there. But this black box is always here no matter where you are. So I'm going to click that right there and type that in there and click Standard Flow or New Flow if you want something different. But if you're just starting out, Standard Flow works just fine. A couple of prompts for you. If you want to add your face into the thumbnails, you could do that. Just take a photo with a clear picture of your face, and you're going to be entered into the thumbnails by the AI engine. If you have a picture of the product, if you've got a product you're trying to review or sell, you can add a picture of that. I don't, which you don't have to either, so you could skip that. And we move on to the custom instructions page. You can have it create more than one thumbnail, which you toggle this little lever here, or you could have it create up to 10 different ones to choose from. I like to stick to 3 so I don't use too many that I have available to me, and allows me to pick from a few. And in addition to that, you can add some text that you want to show up in the actual thumbnail itself, and this text will show up in every single one that it creates. And you could have instructions, add instructions in this text box here to tell the AI to do specific things or look for specific things. And for example, for me, I want it to focus on software screenshots. So I want to see screenshots of the software active in the thumbnail. Now there's other things you can do down here that are more advanced, like trying a new YouTube link flow and using deep voice video understanding to get a better idea of what the video is about. But regardless of what you pick, when you click this black button down here, it's going to actually speed watch the whole video, and it's going to gather the info from the video to create the thumbnail. So it's not just based on that picture or your instructions, but it actually looks at the video to find out what you were talking about. And we'll check back in when we've got our thumbnails generated. All right, now as you can see, it's generated 3 thumbnails for me, very different styles, but following my instructions every time. Over here on the right, we've got a great thumbnail without my face in it. It's got a screenshot of the software. And in the video, I talk about downloading or connecting the Sync Toy to an external drive to update external drive's folders. It's got a logo of Sync Toy, and it's in the background. And every single one of these, it's followed my instructions to put the software screenshots in the thumbnail itself. And in the middle one, you've got a great likeness of my face directly from the image. It was even able to rotate it about 30 degrees. So this is awesome. So these are saved in your library over here in your thumbnails, but you could download any of these that you like. I have a fancy for this one, so I can download that to my computer and put that wherever I want with all my other saved ones. And then I can go right back to YouTube Studio. I can click right here on the thumbnail, click change, go find that picture that I just saved right here and open that up, and boom, I've got a new thumbnail. Simple as that. Look at all these awesome thumbnails I generated seamlessly with Thumbnail Creator. In the past half hour, I got all of these generated. Awesome. So you're probably thinking, Tutor Terrific, this sounds really good and all, and I'm gonna create great YouTube thumbnails for the rest of my life, but how much is this gonna cost me? Well, Thumbnail Creator has 3 different affordable pricing options depending on usage and number of users, starting at an affordable $29 a month, or if you purchase the annual model subscription, $290 a year, which means if you've done the math, that's 2 months off the monthly purchase price. But hold on, I can do you one better. Click the link in my description of this video below to get your first 10 thumbnails free. We both believe, Thumbnail Creator and I, that you will absolutely love this product. It is so easy to use. You create professional thumbnails every time that we're gonna give you your first 10 thumbnails free of charge. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting Tutor Terrific and watching this video. Thank you, Thumbnail Creator, for sponsoring this channel. Guys, don't forget, click that link in the description below for 10 free thumbnails. And until next time, happy thumbnailing.